5, I think, May 5 ang talagang kanilang expiration, I think. May 5. Pero yata 45 days after. So, pag while hindi pa po nare-renew ng Congress, pwede silang mag-operate temporary permit po yata mula sa National Telecommunications.
Yun yung hanggang May 5. Yun yung hanggang May 5.
No. Kung wala pang ginagawa ang Congress, hindi nire-renew. Kung wala namang denial, wala namang approval, so no actions taken by Congress, so they can still operate with temporary permit coming from NTC.